Hello and welcome to this demonstration video for the Lunar module. Now this project was done by a team of individuals, and we did it with the purpose of learning C++ and practicing how to implement it. So now to give just a brief little overview of the game, basically the goal of the game is you're flying the Lunar module, like one that was used to land on the moon. And your goal is to land it on a platform or a safe spot on the moon. And now, when we did this, we also made it a little challenging. So like when you land on the platform, yeah, if you get there, that's great, but you gotta make sure you land on it right side up. You also have to make sure you're not landing too fast with it. We also implemented like gravity, so like the moon's gravity, it's a constant one that's always there on the ship. There's like velocity and acceleration that we factored into the equations that's actually running as you're doing it, and you can see some of those numbers on the right hand side of the screen as you're playing. And then we also did it where we limited the amount of fuel that the lunar lander has, so that if you run out of fuel, then it'll just simply crash to the Earth. So now let's get started here with this program. So I'll boot it up here in Visual Studio Community. That's a horrible spot to generate. So this is a good example of, here we have the amount of fuel that the lunar module has. We have the altitude as it measures it with the ground, and then we also measure the speed as well. So let's try this again, and hopefully we can get something a little bit better here. Try and get a good little screenshot here. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, the fuel is slowly decreasing here. And my goal is to try and land on the platform. There you go. And then we just have a simple success message that displays, where if you're able to land on it, it says the Eagle has landed, and then like you've seen before, if you crash, it says Houston, we have a problem. So something that's kind of fun. But yes, that is a demonstration video for the Lunar module. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.